Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory of the Ozarks. And I'm here today with... What's your name?
Mayank.
And we're going to practice Mayank's very first song in Unit 2, his new song about finger numbers. It's on page 16. Are you ready? We gotta start by wiggling our ones, like this. Can you wiggle your ones?
This old man, he played one. Your first finger is your thumb. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone.
This old man came rolling home.
Now wiggle your two.
This old man, he played two. Put your second finger on your shoe. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the cat a bone.
No, it's the dog.
Cats don't
This
like
old man
bones.
came rolling home.
Now number 3.
This old man, he played three. Put your third finger on your knee. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the pig a bone.
No, it's the dog. This old man came rolling
Now
home.
number 4. Right.
This old man, he played five. Put your fourth finger on the floor. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the cow a bone.
The cow.
No, it's the dog. This old man came rolling
And now
home.
finger 5, pinky.
This old man, he played five. Let your fifth finger take a dive. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the horse a bone.
No, it's the dog.
And now wiggle all your
This
fingers.
old man came rolling home.
Let's practice one more time. Can you wiggle 1, 2? Oh, just 2. Only 2, not 1. We have to have finger independence. Just the one finger at a time. And now 3. This one. 3. 3. Can you wiggle it by itself? Good. Oh, good. Not you. You. There it is. How about 4? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. That's it. And now 5. Pinky. That's really good, Mayank. Give yourself 2 thumbs up in the camera and smile. Now can you push the square to stop the video?